Hi, my name's Juliet and today I'm talking about how to get dark mode in Scrivener 3 for Windows. You'll be pleased to know that Scrivener 3 has a proper dark mode function, and it's really easy to use, but also a teensy bit of a pain. All you have to do is go to the Windows menu, click on Themes, select your theme and restart. Yes, that's the bit of a pain. What would be nice is to be able to see a little pop-up of what the theme looks like before you have to restart. But this is how it is. Here are a few of the options. Which one am I going to use? I'm not sure. I'll have to test them out properly. Thanks for watching, and if you've subscribed, you'll get to see the rest of this series on Scrivener 3 for Windows.